I'm Dr. Narayana Rao, working as a scientist in National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, which is in Tirupati. So I'm basically an atmospheric scientist. So when they invited me for this conference, I was a little reluctant to accept their invitation. But then finally they told me that there were so many talks on industrial applications and commercial applications of IoT. But there are not many talks on scientific applications. So then I thought that, okay, it's a good idea to introduce or brief them about the scientific applications of IoT. And then I came here and then I gave a talk here. There are many challenges in different domains in the atmospheric science. Particularly people nowadays, everybody is talking about the global warming and then the changes. Because of the global warming, there are so many changes that are happening in the atmosphere. And then the rainfall patterns are changing. Nowadays, you are seeing these urban floods and all those things. Then there is one challenge is actually understanding the impacts of the global warming. The second one is the urbanization. You see that actually when we got independence, nearly 70% of the people used to live in villages. But now nearly more than 50% of the people are living in cities. So all these people are migrating the cities. So in the cities actually a lot of things are happening. Then this is impacting the atmosphere also. So how urbanization is changing the patterns of weather phenomena. That is another important challenge we need to understand. So once we understand about what are the impacts of the global warming and then urbanization and changes like that, then I think we will be able to better predict the future and we can take appropriate measures to counter these problems. Because I am not a person from the industry, so I will not be able to answer to that question exactly, but there are so many things actually happening because people are starting the startups. So now everybody wants to become an entrepreneur and then they are starting within very innovative ideas. They are starting the new startups. So some of them are having commercial applications, some of them are having the academic applications, but then there are so many things are coming. So that way I think it will grow further in future also. The SRM University is already having some ties with the industry, and then they are also having a very good the collaboration with the several research institutes in India. For example, with our own institute, they are having a good tie-up, and there is an MOU between our institute and SRM University. So like that, they are having several tie-ups with the several institutes. So that way, I think it is going in the right path. The only thing is actually most of the students nowadays are interested in industrial application and other things. But then there are several scientific. They can also work on several scientific aspects. So they can think of working on these scientific aspects also in future.